Hello friends, welcome back to Anu's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Capsicum Masala, which is a very good side dish for rotis, chapatis and even rice also. Now let's see the preparation for it. We will see the ingredients for Capsicum Masala. I have taken 2 capsicum cut into medium sized pieces, 1 cup of small onions, 4 tomatoes cut into pieces, a few curry leaves, a few coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of jeera, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 red chillies, 1 small cinnamon stick, 3 cardamom and 5 cloves, 3 tablespoons of coconut, 2 tablespoons of white thill, required salt, 2 tablespoons of peanuts, oil, required water. First we will dry roast the ingredients. First light up the gas stove and take a pan. Put the peanut and fry for a minute. Add white thill also and roast it for just 30 seconds. Now add cinnamon stick, cardamom and cloves and fry it. You can simultaneously add red chillies also and fry them for about 2 minutes. Now add even the coconuts also and just fry for a minute. Now the dry roast is ready. Switch off the flame and transfer it to a plate. Now again light the flame and put 3 teaspoons of oil and put jeera also and fry it. While the jeera is getting fried, now we have to take the small onions and grind it to a paste by adding little water to it. Now the onion paste is ready. Now add it to the jeera that is fried and put turmeric powder also and just fry it for 3 minutes. Now the raw smell is gone. Now to this we can add the capsicum also and cook it for 5 minutes. Now we have to take the tomatoes also and grind it. The tomato paste is ready. Now we have to add this also to the capsicum and allow it to cook for another 3 minutes. Now we have to grind the dry roasted ingredients. You can add little water and grind it to a paste.
Shutter.
Add the ground paste to it. And you have to add the required amount of salt. A few curry leaves. And cook it for about 5 minutes. Now the capsicum masala is ready. You can just garnish it with some coriander leaves. Now we can transfer it to a bowl. Switch off the flame and transfer it to a bowl. The yummy capsicum masala is ready. It goes very well with rotis, chapatis, puris and even rice also. Please do try this at home and give your feedback. Like, share, comment and subscribe to Anu's Kitchen. Thank you so much. Bye.